Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to share Clubhouse event link on Twitter. So let's start. First, open the Clubhouse app. First, you have to connect your Twitter account to your Clubhouse account. Now to do that, tap on your profile icon on top right corner and go to your profile. And here you will see Add Twitter. I have already added my Twitter account. All you have to do is tap on Add Twitter and connect your Twitter account to your Clubhouse account. And now you are ready to go. Now let's go back to the home screen and look for some events. Now tap on the calendar icon at the top of the screen. Now I'll just scroll down and look for an event. Let's share this one. Now tap on the event name and then tap on tweet. Now all you have to do is tap on tweet on top right corner and the event link will be shared on your Twitter account. And that's how you can share Clubhouse event link on Twitter. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.